Today I will teach you how to make 3D stars like these. These are really great and versatile. They can be made with both elastic and fishing line. This one's fishing line, this one's elastic. So let's get started. You will need scissors, elastic stretch cord, pony beads, and 2 candy stars. If you don't know how to make a candy star, you can click the card above and go watch that video and then come back. We're going to take the star, we're going to take our string, go through 1 point, we're going to add on 3 beads and string through the other point. It should look like this. We're going to do this all the way around both stars. So I'll get back to you when we're going to tie this off. When you get to this point, we are going to tie this off with a square knot. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull this actually really tight so it makes a dome shape. And then we're going to cut off the excess. And do the same thing to the second star. Once you get to this point, we are going to take our string. We're going to add on 5 beads. We'll be going from this point to this point, the middle beads in that last row we did. Should look like this. We're going to do this all the way around from each point on only one of these. When you come to the end, we are going to string through the last point, tie it off. I'm going to cut off the excess. It should look like this. And now we're going to connect this second piece on top. What we're going to do is we're going to connect the center here through this bead. And we're going to go through all of the pink beads. Then into this next point, just the middle bead, and then through all the rest of these pink beads all the way around. Okay. When you come to the end, we are going to tie it off with a square knot. Just make sure you pull it nice and tight and cut off the excess. Okay. And now it should look like this. Congratulations, you've made your very own 3D star. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Make sure to go to my website, gingercandytutorials.com, to check out the blog for this, which will have more information. While you're there, you can stop by the shop and look at all the great Candy Kid merch I have available. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye.